My name is Delmar Wagler. I'm the project director here at Wagler Homes. So I've been the project director here at Wagler for about 6 years now. QC here at Wagler is a very important part of how we go about to close these buildings out. One of the things that we do to help with that is in our design process, in our plan review before we start. So it makes our job a lot easier once we get out in the field. We have a 32-point QC program. Our project managers and our office team sometimes didn't know exactly what was going on in the field. It's a process that helps us tie the office and our project managers. Everybody's on the same page then and knowing exactly where we are on the project at any given time. So this has really helped improve the quality of the project as we go along. One of the main reasons is when the quality control managers identifies a problem in the field, the project managers see it in the office. So before we get any farther building the panels, we can correct those problems going forward and help minimize our mistakes at the panel shop and if we have any design errors or anything at that time before we have all the walls built. So one of the reasons that having a QC program in place and why this is so important to closing these jobs out and with all the general contractors we work for is we want to be able to give them the best product and the most efficient product. There's a lot of things that come up in the field that sometimes get missed if we don't have photo documentation or if we don't have each unit individually marked out and show each unit with the pictures of before as we're marking the units and after we close the units out. And then another step that we have added just recently is a floor completion notice. And that is something that once the unit gets completed, we have a form that we fill out. It gets submitted to the general contractor that we're working for. It's a floor completion notice to show that we are completed on this floor, this section of the building, and that we have cleaned out the building and everything is done, ready for them to review it and ready for them to turn it over to other trades. That way we have a clean handoff from Wagler to any other trades that are following us. And it eliminates other trades working in the same areas that we are, so it's a safer working environment as well. One of the things that this helps with other trades with our QC process is we also have photo documentation that we can refer back to at any time. Like if there's a question that arises after the drywall is done, is this blocking in place? We have it photo documented with timestamp photos on it that yes, this blocking is indeed in the wall. With the floor completion notice, it also minimizes risk with other trades coming in behind us. When we're finished with the floor, we submit our floor completion notice. Other trades then know that it's their time to go into these units and that we're no longer in there working above them. So our QC process, along with our floor completion notice that we submit, has really helped us on hitting our dates and our milestones set in front of us. Our superintendents, it allows them to create their own schedule along with the general contractor's schedule, working with our PMs in the office, working with our panel shop to streamline the process to where we're not waiting on material, and when the material comes on site, it's a lot better quality because we have already identified any issues that we may have going forward. So sometimes if you identify an issue on the first building, some of the first units, we prevent that problem from repeating itself going forward. So one of the big things that our QC process does that most framing companies don't have, it allows us to be more efficient in the field and in turn turn the projects over sooner and minimizing our punch work in the field. So at the end of the day, we can turn these floors over at a faster pace.